the Tesla! Woo! Dodge Hellcat. Oh, fuck. Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today is a different scenery. Today we are up at the drag strip and I am doing my first drag race, and oh my god, am I ever so scared. So let's go on and get into it. Ooh boy. Thank you. Woo, boy, my heart is pounding. Oh God. Even though I didn't win, still felt good. Now that we're right here, let's pull over, see what we got. 13.8, not bad. 99.2. I can break 100. Reaction time wasn't bad. All right, let's go again. Fuck it. I think like that's better. Let's go find out. Oh man, guys, if you don't, I'm so glad I decided to do this. So I came out here and I was up, Mark, who's with us right now, actually just decided like, hey, who the hell wants to go ride? And so I said, me. And he's like, is anything happening tonight? And it just so happened that they had an open drag racing. So what did I do? I decided to pop on up and have some fun. I do not regret it. Guys, if you ever have the opportunity to just come out and do some actual drag racing, do it. Holy crap, this is so much fun. I'm gonna go take just a little tiny break, look at my numbers. So now that we're over here, did I do any better? 99.82 did better, 13.57, and I had apparently my reaction time was better, felt slower.
A few moments later.
So now they're starting rolls. I have no idea what the hell that is, but we are gonna have some fun with it. I don't even know what rolls are.
You start from the cone. Pace with that one. And you go through the tree. And he's gonna do right up to about 40 miles an hour.
Okay. So you're starting at the same time here.
Right.
But then
You go up to 40 miles an hour, you just try to keep pace with him.
yeah.
Keep it as close as possible. And then when you go through the tree, then you go.
Okay. Here we go. Here comes the rolls. Here we go. Not gonna lie, while doing all this, I thought I'd be doing a little bit better. Just out of hopes, I should say. But man, it's still keeping up within that scope of what I'm wanting. And this is still so much fun. I think I'm gonna do one more before I start to review all of the numbers I got. Oh boy, now I'm going up a Dodge Hellcat. Oh fuck. With that shit. Oh my god! Now let's go review the times. Alrighty, now I got the times right here. Number 1. It was close. It was 1162 with a top speed of 101. That was versus a Tesla. Not too shabby. Wow, I got my time down under. That's good. And the second one, I was going up against a like souped up Acura with a time of 10.806, 101.95, just a hair faster. And then 1123 the last time going up a Dodge Hellcat. Holy shit, that thing was fast. And top speed of 101.29. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, this is a totally different video. This was just so much fun. I saw this super last minute. I wanted to come out here, out to Palm Beach Raceway, and it was just so much fun. I highly recommend coming out. Even if you don't necessarily have the fastest bike, just going up against even cars is still a lot of fun. So I recommend coming out to a drag strip, having that opportunity just to see what you can do, pushing your limits and pushing your bike's limits when it comes to, you know, just going fast in a straight line, because it's easy to go fast in a straight line, and it's just easy and it's fun. So I highly recommend coming to do it, guys. So much fun. It was super cheap too, so go and do it. So if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and hit that bell notification button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.